So today what we're working on is trying to mount this shaft from the Corvette into the Studebaker, and we have to build a dash, we have to build plates for it. So I'm working on trying to make a couple brackets. I'm using 1/4" plate, so when it gets it all set up it'll be good and strong for the steering column. And use a little plasma cutter, cut the 1/4" plate. It'd be nice to have a plasma table, but plasma cutter is pretty nice. And then I'll do some drilling, drill some holes, set it up and try and mount it. I've got a cardboard template for the back end, so I can try and figure out where that's going to be, and then I'll make a plate for that. And then hopefully the steering column will get positioned, and then from there I'll have to do my structure to hold it in place under the firewall and then build the firewall. So we've got lots of work to do, and there's so many different areas that need to be worked on, from the body work to engine work to mechanical, but it's fun, and it's, you know, that's what you got to do. You got to keep working at it. Well, let's see if we can take a look at what we built here.